Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really cool looking mask from the show Heist. Alright, so let's draw this very strange looking but also very cool looking mask. So to begin, we're going to draw on the eyeballs first. So it's just going to be two curves. This will be the upper lid. Okay, once you have that, drawing the lower lid, pretty much the same thing, just opposite. And now let's give them those creepy eyeballs. So just come in the center here, have it look down a little bit. And I'll just shade that in. Okay, once we have this, I'm gonna draw in the lower, this little bag right here. So I'm just gonna draw a little curve going side to side. I know it looks really weird right now. Okay, and then on the top here, we're gonna draw the same thing, but maybe don't go all the way through. So just come up, just have it go out. All right, so from here, we're gonna draw in the nose, and it's got a really long nose. So come to the middle here, you can make two little points. And then we'll just go down. I know it's really weird. So just make it wider on the bottom. And then we'll just continue this, just round it out. And then now on the side right here, let's come up. This will be the wings of the nose. All right, so once we have this, let's draw in part of the face first, and then we'll add in the mouth. All right, so just come to the side here. This will be the side of the face. You can make a little point. And now I'm just gonna come down. Straight down here, and then we're gonna go in. I know it's very weird right now. So just come in toward the nose. And now we're gonna come back out here. Come down, and we just stop right there first. So these are his cheekbones. Okay, so once we have this, now we can join let's join the mouth. So let's see, he's got a really sad face right here. So just come down, just draw one line, one curve. And then from here, here's the lower lip. And then the upper lip, just go all the way around here. Okay, so once we have this, now we can draw in the rest of the face. So we just keep coming down. Stop right where the mouth is, the corner of the mouth, and then now we're gonna taper it in. Just round out the jaw right there. Okay, and we'll add in the cool little mustache later. So let's come back up here and finish up the top of the face first. Now let's draw in the eyebrow. So right from the corner of the eye, just go up. You can make a little point right there. And then now we're gonna go up and just come back down all the way out here. So it's pretty long. And we can give it some thickness here. We're gonna make this round up like this. And now we just go and follow up on this curve on the bottom. Okay. So we just go up. And on the end right here, it's gonna be a little bit sharper. Okay, so those are the eyebrows, and now let's finish up the head shape here. Now we can come up right in the middle. Just draw a little curve. It's gonna be his hairline. Now we're gonna go out, and then we're just gonna connect all the way to the side of the head right here. Okay, and then for the hair, just come back up in the middle again. We're gonna curve all the way out. Okay, so we'll just connect to this, right where the eye, the corner of the eye, to this point. And we can add in some lines right here. Put a strand of the hair. Well, it's a mask, but there's still some detail. Alright, so it's a really long head, and now we're gonna draw in the cool little mustache right here. So the mustache is really cool. So it's gonna start right here. I'm gonna come all the way down to the bottom right here, okay? So I'm just gonna make a little mark. Start from the nose right here. Come out, and then I'm gonna round it and go all the way up there. So come out, round it, just add a little curve right here. Okay, so that's the top, and now we're gonna draw in the bottom. So the bottom, we'll just follow whatever you have on top right here. And then again, round it out. And this is gonna be a little bit sharper here. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this really cool looking mustache. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see this, because this is the best part about the mask. And I think I'm gonna shade in the eyebrows too, because that's really gonna make this mask look a lot cooler. Okay, or let's see, well, since I'm doing it already, let's finish up the hair. That might be kind of neat too. So I'm gonna leave some highlight right here just for the hair, so that, you know, we can see that there's some detail, maybe some strands. Or even here, that would be nice, leave some highlight. So if yours is a little bit messy right here, it's okay too, because it's just, you know, hair. It's not supposed to be clean. Not supposed to be that even, right? All right. Very cool looking mask. Right, so that's it for the hair, and actually we can add in one more cool little detail just to make this look a little bit more menacing. Right here on the bottom, let's draw one little curve like this, give it more definition on the mouth. Alright, so that is it for this Heist mask. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.